How to get Roblox backup codes for two-step verification. Now for us to proceed with this tutorial, we are just going to go ahead and click this gear icon right here, click the settings, and here in the settings, head over to the security tab. Now in the security tab, you should be able to see the two-step verification. Now you have the Authenticator app here. We are going to go ahead and use this one. I'm just going to go ahead and enable it. And then we're going to go ahead and check our email in order for us to put here the 6-digit code. Now here is the email. I'm just going to copy this one and then I'm going to go ahead and paste it here, and then I can go ahead and just click enter. So the next thing that we are going to do is scan this one. So be prepared with your Authenticator app. In my case, I use Google Authenticator on my phone. I'm just going to go ahead and scan this one. Alright, so Authenticator is now saved. Now I can go ahead and write here the 6-digit code. There you go, and then click verify. And there goes your backup codes. That is how you are going to get Roblox backup codes for two-step verification.